Local news for Wednesday, the 26th of February. A recommendation that the Masterton Town Hall and municipal buildings be demolished will be before an extraordinary meeting of the Masterton District Council at midday today. The meeting is open to the public and will get underway at White House. Entries are open for Talent Wairarapa 2020, billed as Wairarapa's biggest talent contest and organised by the Carterton Rotary Club. Contestants will have the chance to win $1,000 cash plus various other prizes. And the Royal New Zealand Air Force Band hits town tomorrow, performing at the Carterton Event Centre for one night only. The band recently celebrated its 80th anniversary with a great show assured to be conducted. Tomorrow night's show gets underway at 7 p.m. And the best aerobatic pilots in New Zealand are in Wairarapa for the next few days. Hod Aerodrome Masterton and the Wairarapa Aero Club will host the annual NZAC National Aerobatic Championships. The 4-day event begins today. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.